Hey guys, I'm Joyce. Welcome to my video diary. This is Noelle. She's helping me today. Anyway, I just finished putting away, all of the groceries for this week, all of my groceries for this week, and I just wanted to share. After all, that's kind of what a diary is, right? So I shop mostly at a health food store called CDR Naturals, and I'm so inspired by the woman who runs the store, Donna. She keeps the produce so beautiful, and so I'm going to turn around so I can make sure it's visible. I redid my refrigerator. Of course, you don't know what it looked like before, but anyway, so I just set up my greens in little tubs of water, jars of water, so hopefully they won't get all wilty during the week like the cilantro did. I bought the cilantro probably last Monday. I don't remember, but yeah, and the romaine was not real pretty either, but I've been picking off the wilted leaves to put in my smoothies, so they look better now. And got my spinach down here, regular lettuce, butter lettuce here. I put my peppers and mushrooms in here, and the avocado that is ready. And I apologize if I'm getting anything out of camera. I've got it turned around, so. And I've got my fruits in here, all my pomegranates, golden kiwi. I don't think I've ever heard of such a thing. So this will be interesting. And they're huge. It's like each one is twice the size of a regular green kiwi. And then down here, you can see what it is. Although I did learn a few videos ago that everything is backwards. When the video is done and you're viewing the video, everything is backwards. So I don't know what's up with that. Moved all of the pet stuff over here. I did have it. Where did I have it? I had it on this shelf. I had all the pet stuff on this shelf, and it would get kind of crowded, you know. And then up here, I normally keep my leftovers or things that I've opened. Like if I cut open an apple and I don't use the whole apple and I put the other part in a container, I'll put that up here. But anyway, I need to address this. This is medicines and herbal remedies down here. So this store, I don't know, a lot of it is going to stay empty, and I'm okay with that. I mean, I'm going on a minimalist adventure, so that would make sense to have empty spaces. If you don't need to put anything there, then don't put anything there. So that's it. I just wanted to share that. Like I'm still cleaning stuff up. I have not been using the mustards since, I don't know, since I started this nutritarian diet. So I'm just going to pitch them. I can't give them away because they've been opened. I guess I could give them away to friends, people who don't mind that they're open. But I don't know. We'll see. So I had one, and this, obviously, this is dirty. I took the opportunity to clean all of the shelves in the refrigerator as I was rearranging things. This shelf is left over because of the way I put the greens in there. So I think after I clean it, I was trying to decide where to put it. I know it's getting dark over here in this corner, but I thought about putting it behind the refrigerator, but I don't know. I don't want to deal with the grill and all that, and I don't want to push the refrigerator forward. It has dirt dents in the floor from the refrigerator, so it kind of wants to be where it is now. So I'm thinking I'm going to put it here just beside the deep freeze. I mean, just to store, because I'm not using it, at least not right now. Who knows? Who knows how the refrigerator will change over the years. But anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to share that. Been working on that tonight. I do also want to address my Pennsylvania trip, because that did not get wrapped up in these videos. By the time I got there, I was so tired. I did get there in time to let the inspector and the buyer in. And anyway, I got everything taken care of. I actually forgot. I forgot about making these videos. And it would have been nice to have, I don't know, a visual memory of my mom's house. But I have memories of it in my head, and that's okay. And my mom's not there. So I don't know, maybe she is sometimes, but anyway, that's another subject. But yeah, I wanted to address that. So yeah, I was so tired. I didn't even think about making another video. I did take a nap. It wasn't much better than the one in the car. And anyway, I ended up getting back home. It was Tuesday morning, 9 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't remember. It must have been closer to 9, because I believe I fed everybody breakfast and then I went to bed. You know what? I don't remember. What I do remember, though, is, you know what? I was up. I got home and I was up until like 4:30, I think, taking care of my usual stuff, just getting caught up on stuff. And so I laid down around 4:30, and I figured, well, I'll just, I'll have a nap, and then whenever I wake up, I'll feed everybody dinner, and that'll be it for the day. I think I've got my hand over the microphone. Sorry about that if that's been muffled. So I laid down around 4:30. I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning. So what's that? 10 hours later, I woke up. I'm like, oh my God, all the lights are on. Nobody had dinner. So yeah, I fed everybody dinner at 2 o'clock in the morning. And then I went back to bed, of course. And then I don't remember what time I woke up after that. I think it was somewhere around 10 o'clock. I was so tired. Anyway, so that was my Pennsylvania trip. The real estate agent called today to give me an update on, when he would expect to start us on the contract and all of that. But anyway, so that was my Pennsylvania trip. I'm not going to say any more about it, because that's all there is to say about it. Hey, Maxwell. Oh, that's Maxwell's tail. Hi, Maxwell. Try to get the phone turned right. Are you finding leftovers? All right, I'm going to close this. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.